Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping the F-117 for mission work. Load ECM and 2x external tanks if you plan long loitering. Keep weapon load light for stealth. Once done, verify realistic flight model and bind essential toggles so you can react without hunting menus. Make sure you know your spawn altitude and interval. This shapes your first climb. Don't waste time on defaults. Set HUD brightness and audio warnings now, so you have clear cues when radar or IR locks begin. You climb to medium altitude, then cruise toward the target using gentle, low-aspect turns to present minimal radar cross-section. Keep speed between 400 and 520 km/h for control and stealth. Once in sector, use terrain masking and short ECM bursts to break radar tracks before you descend. When you decide to attack, set up a shallow dive. Use the HUD to align and release weapons on stable approach. Remember why. Controlled speed and masking preserve survivability while still allowing accurate strikes. You make the attack pass when you have a clear solution. Release ordnance in a smooth, stable run and avoid aggressive, slow corners that invite missiles. Once weapons away, egress immediately along a preplanned corridor, climb to regain energy and use flaps sparingly. Energy equals survival. If you get tracked, jettison external tanks, toggle full ECM, and dive low to exploit terrain. Use short, unpredictable maneuvers to break lock. One troubleshooting tip. If radar persistently requires you, switch to a different ingress route next spawn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.